Hello everyone, I'm Melody from Canaan. Our company is a top pharmaceutical equipment manufacturer in OSD industries in China. We have 8 factories, and we mainly focus on solid dosage production lines. We can offer you with the whole granulation line from material pre-treatment to finished product packaging. Now I'm in the workshop of Canaan headquarters.
The main products in this factory are granulation machines, coater, blenders, lifters, bean washing station, etc.
Canaan can provide high containment whole granulation line machines for customers. Today I'm going to introduce one of the high containment machine. This is BGS10 high containment coater. This machine applies Europe technology, and the containment level of this machine reaches to OEB5.
The machine is composed of 3 parts: the coater with isolator, AHU-Z with G4F9H14 filter, has the function of humidifying and heating. This is the dust collector used back-in back-out design with F9H14H14 filter. The backside is connected with a wet scrubber, can remove volatile toxic substances. This is our BGS10 high containment coater. The operation door will be equipped with silicone rubber gloves in user side to achieve complete isolation between operator and material. Today we remove that for better observation of the machine. The operating door is inflatable sealed structure and interlocked with the system. When the coater is during operation, open the operating door by mistake will trigger the shutdown alarm. Here is the outlet and sampling outlet. The outlet can be connected with a split valve for close discharging. The sampling outlet is designed with continuous bagging structure. User can put the continuous bagging on the sampling pot and can get the sample in the closed environment. The coater realizes the functions of exchangeable bowl structure, automatic discharging, WIP, spring nozzle adjustment, and other functions. The integrated frame design is adopted. The coater can realize WIP function. Here we can see the spring nozzles fully covers all cleaning points, which can effectively remove dust residue after coating. This coater is designed with exchangeable pen structure. One coater can be used to match with different size of coating pen, which can cover more working capacity according to customers' requirements. Let's take a closer look at the coating pen. The opening rate of the pen is more than 40%. The wheel-shaped impeller is welded inside the pen to realize various film coating processes. Automatic reverse discharging is fast and no residue. The pen speed is controlled by inverter, more precise. I have introduced some mechanical features of the equipment. Now let's look at the control system, Tech Pro M system. It fully complies with 21 CFR Part 11 requirements, and it's also very convenient to operate. Like this, you can complete all the operation on the touch screen, such as tablet bed temperature, inlet air temperature, airflow reads, negative pressure, coating pen speed, etc. And it has many different functions, such as batch management, data analysis, maintenance planning, etc. It provides diagnostic tools using PLC I/O status real-time monitoring floating window to improve the diagnostic efficiency.
Our equipment fully meets GMP requirements. Of course, we can offer you with the customer's design. What you need is what we care. That's so much for today. And you can contact us by the information on the screen. We'll see you next time. Have a nice day.